How's it going, everybody? Three Wheels on the Block, back again, here to thank you, all 200 plus of you, for hitting that subscribe button, smashing the like. I appreciate that very much. And this is a special video because we're going to give something away. But you got to wait till the end, because if I do it at the beginning, y'all won't watch the whole video. Anyway, just want to say a quick thank you to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. You guys are awesome. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for the comments, the feedback. It really means a lot to me. This channel has grown a lot, and we're almost at a year. We're coming up on a year real quick, I think. I better check real quick. Hang on, let me see if we're at a year. Anyway, I better shut this sunroof. My face is flickering. Where's the handle right there? Is that better? I don't know. I don't ever know. I don't have a front viewfinder. I keep commenting below, somebody send me a camera with a front view so I can see what I look like. Because I don't even know what I look like until I edit the video. For this 200 subscriber video, we're going to give something away. That's right, the first 10 people to comment below are going to get some swag from Three Wheels on the Block. I got these right here. Yeah, these stickers. Yeah, you see those right there floating on my head somewhere on the screen? Yep, those. That's right, decals for you. Put them on your laptop, put them on your Chromebook, your cell phone, your car, put them on your bike, your moped, put them on your dog, put them on whatever you want to. I just want to show my appreciation to y'all. We're going to have more stuff coming up soon later this year, so be sure to stay tuned, tune in, smash the like. You guys are awesome. We'll see you next time.